the Youthful Sisters! Today we're introducing you to our new pet Boxy. Hey Boxy. Good Boxy. It's important that you feed your Boxy every morning and night. Good Boxy. It's important that you take your Boxy out, otherwise you'll have accidents. Boxy! Boxy's great for cleaning. Boxy clean. Good Boxy. It is important for Boxy to Boxy, come here. Boxy, lay down. Good Boxy. Boxy makes great soldiers. Come on, Boxy. Good Boxy. You can teach your Boxy just how to fight, just like a dog. Good Boxy.
Good Boxy.
Boxy's on good coffee table. Boxy, coffee table mode. Good Boxy. Say how to take this box. How to train your Boxy. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And Vivi has a shout out. Mrs. Goldilocks! And why? Because she's my first grade teacher. Okay. Bye. It's important for Boxy to learn tricks. Boxy, come here. Boxy. Thanks for watching this Youthful Sisters How I Train a Boxy. Happy Boxy Day! It's important that you feed your Boxy every morning and night. Good Boxy. Goodbye.